Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and I'm gonna show how to turn on and off the camera green lines at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the green lines we have to go to the more advanced settings, which are here in the left corner, and by tapping on this we get access to it. And to get access to the green lines we have to slide down to the useful features here, and as you can see here we have the green lines. By tapping on this we can easily turn it on and turn it off. I'm going to show you how it looks like, and as you can see it generates us these lines. These lines are helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography, and we can also go back and turn it off easily here by tapping on this the second time and choose the off option. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.